In this video, we're going to learn how to change the Instructor Profile Widget on the course homepage. You will need to be logged in as an instructor to be able to accomplish this task. What you're going to do is go to this icon here. You're going to click on the down arrow, opening up the menu options. Your choices are configure this widget, style this widget, or collapse this widget. Note that collapse this widget only closes it so that you have more viewing space. It does not change anything for you or the students. If you would like to style the widget, you can change information such as to display the title or not. You can actually prohibit minimizing the widget for students, and you can change the name of the widget. This will not change anything in the system, only for your course. Here we've labeled it Your Univ 101 Instructor. What I'd like to show you now is how to configure this widget, and this is what you're going to do to change the information. As you can see, you can change some information here if you would like. I think Instructor Profile makes the most sense. And you can change your name. You can upload a new image. I recommend a headshot. Click on the upload arrow. It'll open a box for you. You'll select the image and upload it. I recommend a 500 by 500 pixel image, square, or you can do 300 by 300, anything that is square. If you have your own personal branding colors, you can choose among that. For here, we've actually chosen the SIU colors. You can change what you'd prefer here. It can read whatever you would like. And your biography can be up to 240 characters. If you would like, the only two options are Facebook or X, but I hack this by putting my LinkedIn profile in the X feature and then remove this, and that'll actually remove the Facebook icon. Click Save when you're done, and your widget will be updated.